13th of October for all of you. So keep your diary block for 13th of October, members mixer. Then we have on 24th we are bringing a coach from Delhi. 24th of November, amazing coach, Mr. Amit Jadhav, very renowned coach, business coach. He is coming for a workshop. Then on 2nd December, we will be doing a lot of mini TiEcons now in next 2 years. Mini TiEcons means TiEcon, many of you have attended, it's a full day event. We will do unique theme-based events every quarter. We are starting one with 2nd of December, which is on IPR. TiE Kolkata IPR Summit, where we'll discuss about IPR in a layman language, bringing all the stakeholders of IPR under one roof, judges, lawyers and clients. So be ready for that. Similarly, we'll have plenty of events coming up. The one regularly we are doing, inspiring stories and workshop, and then we will have summits. Every quarter we'll have at least one summit. Maybe HR summit, maybe fintech summit, wealth summit, sales and marketing summit, AI summit. So similar to that, next 2 years will be full of events. So keep yourself free for attending those events. There's no point being a member if you do not have time to attend our events. I am very straightforward on this. Why are you member? If you do not have time to attend your events we are organizing. I'm not saying that you have to attend all the events, but if you're not at all attending, there's no point. Because you're not coming, you're not doing networking, you're not learning. Just being on the WhatsApp group doesn't make sense. Because on the WhatsApp group, I do not allow promotional stuff also. Many of you are unhappy with that too. But that's how it is. Please do attend. One more request which I keep doing. Please share your feedback about today's session. 2 reasons, it encourages us and it also creates FOMO for people who have missed it. So more important is that. Make
I hope
them
everybody
realize they have what they have missed. Please do post your feedbacks on our WhatsApp group. And I believe before you leave this venue, you will do that. And now, thank you once again very much.
Thank you so much.
It was an amazing session. And he has to promise before I invite our past president, Mr. Ashok Bhutta, to hand over the memento and a small token of gift to him. He has to promise that he will do one more session for us, for which he is amazingly well, when he is expert, behavioral, what do you call it?
Okay, human behavior, let's put it that way.
Yes. So that one session he has to do for us. With that promise only, I am going to hand over the memento.
If I don't promise, I'll go without the memento.
Yes, so it's on you. It's on you.
Right. So it's all about motivation, I personally believe business is about human motivation. So if you can motivate every human being who matters to you in the business, you will get a profitable growth in your business. It is not only about employees. Everybody talks of employee motivation. Of course it is important. Customer motivation. So today we have learned that unless the customer is motivated to buy your product or service, you will never be able to sell. Suppliers motivation. I'll just take half a minute. Just-in-time inventory was a concept which was introduced by Toyota Motor Company in 1968. Most of you were not born at that time. I was. And the concept was that the vendor will supply parts which go directly into the manufacturing line. So the quality assurance is by the vendor. Why did they do it? Because real estate is very expensive in Japan and working capital wouldn't get blocked. That made them more competitive in the American market, and the rest is history. It's about motivation. If you can't motivate, you can't do business. That's my belief.
We get to hear from you assurance that you are taking a session.
I will do that. We'll talk about motivation. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sir, उधर देखना पड़ेगा.
Group photo?
हाँ, of course, group photo.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
a photo of yours here.
Can I
Oh,
invite
lovely.
everyone for a group photo, please?
Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
That would be nice. Thank you so
Some on
much.
the stage,
I would like to
some
share something with
downwards,
you.
and
Sure.
we can have